Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. I really hope all of you are well. So if you are seeing my face for the very first time, I am Reena and I do these beauty, fitness and lifestyle related videos. So if you are new, so make sure that you subscribe and also press the bell icon so I keep on making videos and YouTube keep on notifying you. So in this video, I am gonna do this Raksha Bandhan look which is right in front of you and how I do it. So make sure that you watch the video complete, and that's it with the intro guys. Let's get started. So guys, the very first step is to clean your face and go for a very good skincare. The first step, I'm gonna use a razor on my face, and it is very important to remove or at least hide your facial hair, because if your base is not good, then how much amount of good makeup you will put, it will become cakey and it will not look good. So your makeup will look flawless and go smoothly on your face. It is very important to remove your facial hair. So I'm gonna use this razor, and if you are somebody who do not want to use a razor, you can go for bleach and go for threading and remove your facial hair, or at least hide them, so your face will look a lot more clear. So I think we should just start with using razor. So I have washed my face. Now I'll just moisturize my face, and moisturizing your face is completely optional. If you are oily skin, then I don't think you will need to moisturize your face, but if you're from a dry skin, then I think you should. Now I'm done moisturizing my face. Now I'll start using the razor. I'm done shaving my face and it looks more clear and better than the previous skin. So now moving on to the second step, which is applying a face mask. You can use a homemade face mask or even the market one, depends on you, but I'm gonna go for a handmade one. So let's go for step 2, that is applying a face mask. So guys, I'm just using my hands. You can use anything. Guys, I have applied face mask on my face, which is a simple face mask made up of besan, curd and turmeric. I have mixed all of them together and applied on my face. It will give a very nice glow to my face, and I have to wait for 15 minutes. Then I'll wash it off with normal water. And please make sure that after using razor, you do not go for scrubber, because it can irritate your skin. Just apply a simple face mask, wait for 15 minutes and then just wash it off. So guys, I have washed my face and my skin is looking very glowy and very clear. So we are done with step number 2. Now move to step number 3, that is applying makeup on our face. So guys, I'll start with makeup by using aloe vera gel. You can use it as a moisturizer or as a primer. It is multi-talented. So yes, applying aloe vera gel, I'll apply foundation on my face. So guys, I have applied little bit of foundation. I want a very little coverage on my face, and next I think I'll move on with kajal. So guys, I have applied kajal on my face, and you can see even kajal has given me such a great look. So next move on to mascara. So guys, I have applied mascara. Next I'll fill in my eyebrows, and believe me, filling your eyebrows is really important because it gives so much structure to your face and can change your look. So make sure you fill in your eyebrows. So guys, I'm done with filling my eyebrows, and make sure whenever you fill your eyebrows, leave the inner corners, because if you will fill them, so it will look very fake. And do not draw lines, just fill inside and just blend it really well. It will look good. Earlier I used to do the same mistake, that I used to fill my inner corner and just draw the lines, which looks very fake. So make sure you apply the inside and just use the brush. So next I think I should apply lipstick, and which lipstick shade should I go for? I think this one. I'll go for this one. Guys, I have applied a very light shade of lipstick on my lips because I just don't want to go loud on my eyes as well as on my lips. So next I'll go for blush. I always use this Maybelline lipstick as the blush because I think it works really well. So yes, I'll use this one. I'll add on my eyelids as well a very little color. So guys, this is the very simple look I was aiming for. Now let me just change my hairstyle as well as my costume and then just meet you. So guys, I am ready and I am done with this look, and I really hope guys you liked it. I just added a jewelry, bindi and made a bun and then just the dress. And that's it with the video guys, and if you enjoyed and liked, so please make sure that you like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And that's it, we'll meet soon. Until then, bye bye and take care of yourself and as well as your family.